Hello everybody, Florida Investor here with another video for you. This time we're talking about Walgreens, ticker symbol WBA. Walgreens, everybody pretty much knows them. It's a big pharmacy, one of the top pharmacies in the United States. Walgreens was a great stock for dividend investing, but let's face it, for the past probably 20 years, maybe 15 years, their business model has been going downhill. Their sales have been dropping, especially in the last roughly about 5 to 7 years. In 2019, Walgreens was going to be they were going to be bought out, go private, but the deal didn't go through. My understanding is that the acquisition deal or financials were 55 billions. Now we got news again that another company wants to buy them out. But what is the big difference? That Walgreens have been going downhill. Their stock price has dropped like I want to say, I think it was like 60 or 80%. I want to say 60%, around there, 60 to 80%. So obviously they don't have the market cap that the ones they had. They're not a dominant player how they were at one point. Now, I think it was in October, they did announce as well that they were shutting down 1,200 stores. The plans that they did with remodeling some of the stores and actually making some clinics, that also backfired. So they shut them down, trying to save capital. And at this point, it's just a business that is not doing well, and a perfect timing for a company to buy them out. Now, as you guys can see on the chart, because of the news that a company called Sycamore, they're apparently the company that's interested in buying them out. That's why you see that the shares have gained roughly about 16% today. But that's basically what is going on with Walgreens, why it did shoot up so much today, because they're being acquired by, well, not yet. There's some legalities and all that stuff that needs to go through, but nevertheless, I mean, it looks promising for them. Now let's read a little bit more on the article, because obviously that's good information. Let me see this. Let me go back and read a different one, because that one is just asking for membership. But basically in October, like I said before, Walgreens announced that it was going to close 1,200 stores. Basically Sycamore Partners is looking into buying them, and then if that happens, then of course Walgreens is going to be a private company and not how it is right now. Honestly, I think that's probably for the best for the company. Bleeding money and down sales, and every year to year shutting down stores. I mean, it's about time, let's put it that way. Like I did mention before, they used to be worth a lot of money. As of 2015, they were worth about $100 billion, and now roughly about $9. So obviously it is for the best of Walgreens to be acquired by somebody else, as the business model keeps changing, sales keep declining, and more stores keep shutting down. So I wanted to point this out to you guys. Again, every time that a company announces that it's going to potentially be bought out by somebody else, their stock usually goes up. For the company, if it is a publicly traded company that is buying them out, usually, at least in the short term, their stock price drops, because obviously it's a big acquisition, and it's a lot of money that they're investing. So obviously investors get a little leery about it. But for the company being bought out, the stocks shoot up usually, because it's good news. Other than that, guys, appreciate you watching. Thank you for subscribing. I've noticed a few of you have started to subscribe in the last day or two. Appreciate that. I will continue to produce videos like this, just short, sweet, to the point, bring good information to you guys. If you guys appreciate it, leave a comment, share this video, subscribe. Thank you.